historically, the ultimate engine that has powered most of the racing cars we have today and the luxurious cars we have today still remains Ferrari's flagship V12 engine. Yes, you heard me right. We cannot say anything about the automobile industry and take Ferrari out of it, because Ferrari is way out of this world. When I think about the mastermind, the craftsmanship behind the engine the engine design, how it's being operated, how it's being connected to all the parts of the vehicles, is mind-blowing. Let me tell you one thing, these are a few cars that are still being powered by the V12 engine. So if you remember the Ferrari Daytona SP3, hi, it's a beast. It's being powered by the V12 engine. Let's look at the Ferrari Monza. Look at the video. The Monza SP1 is being powered by the V12 engine. The same Monza SP2 is also being powered by the Ferrari V12 engine. You know, we cannot talk about the automobile industry and take Ferrari out of it. Ferrari is way out of this world. They are one of the reasons why we have luxurious cars today. One of the reasons why we go and sit down to watch F1 racing. Numerous F1 racing cars are being powered by Ferrari engines. This is a video that Ferrari released on LinkedIn a few days ago. Just look at this. This is what we call art, craftsmanship, creativity. So it's all about the assembling of the V12 engine. Just look at the video, watch the video. So this is not about the molding, the melting, the finishing, the casting. No, all is being done. This is just about assembling. So all the parts has been given to them, so they are just assembling them. Just watch the video. Wow, amazing. Just look at the engine. Isn't it beautiful? Hey, listen, when you say you're going to think about how engine is being built, you're going to think about the world differently. And anytime I think about how these automobiles are being designed, are being created, it makes me want me to do something. I am not an engineer, I'm not a technician. So all I can do is I'll talk about them because they are beautiful and we have to appreciate them. So this is a video they released. Look at how it's been. Just look at the tester. Look at the red Ferrari tester. Hey. It's amazing. It's beautiful. Don't you like it? I'll stop here. Maybe here. I do a lot of technological videos. If you want to learn something about tech, head to my profile. If it's about tutorial, head to my profile. If it's about news tips, head to my profile. Yes, let's elevate, empower, appreciate the automobile, the technological industry together, because together we stand. Separated before. Whatever tech you're doing, whatever field that you are, know that I do appreciate you. Whether you are AI engineer, AI software engineer, whether AI developer, whoever you are, I appreciate you. If you're a creative designer designing these vehicles, I appreciate you. Whoever you are, I appreciate you, because you guys have made who you are today. No matter who you are, whether you are a video editor, whether you are a content creator, whoever you are, your creativity, your craftsmanship has made the world what we are today. So if you're a contractor, if you're a draftsmanship, website developer, software developer, mobile app developer, whoever you are, I appreciate you. If you're a mobile phone designer like Apple, like Samsung, like the Xiaomi, like the Oppo, I appreciate you guys, because you've made the world a better place. Love it, you enjoy this technological stuff, you enjoy the computers we have today. God bless all of you guys. My name is BB. This is BB Techie. If you love this video, you can like it and share to 2 of your friends. Let's get to preach the gospel as we always do. Yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Peace out. Mwah.